Okay, I'm not going back over that. I don't know how much was saved and wasn't saved, but it appears if I stand between the camera and my phone, which is now there, the Wi-Fi connection is lost and it turns the camera off. Why it should turn the camera off, I don't know, but it does. Where's the locating pin? Is there not a locating pin this side? Oh, it's been removed. It's been removed. Let's see if this will clamp on. It's not so important this side. That's the wrong screw in the wrong fucking hole. It's obviously the throttle side that matters. You don't want the throttle going round and round. They must have put some different clip-ons at one point on the bike. Perhaps it's a crash repaired. The grips. So I probably won't drill this side. In case you didn't know, the ABM handlebars, let's see if I can find it in here. To fix the controls, it is necessary to drill holes for the anti-twist pins. Align controls and mark corresponding spots on the handlebar. Center punch these marks and drill the appropriate bores, diameter and depth according to the pin. Yeah, so ABM are totally different to Renthal's, although the bore is 12mm. They're very thick walled. They tell you to drill these. Now you're not going to drill, I'm not going to drill all the way through because I don't think that's necessary. Get off. It's just a stub, isn't it? Yeah. What's that, about 5mm? 6.8mm. I don't think it'll go all the way through. But yeah, Rentals tell you not to drill them. Whereas ABMs, voila, send the instructions, mark it up and indeed drill it out. So next I'd like to get the heated grips, which I don't know whether I left a receipt in here. I don't think I did. Yeah, I bought these last year. Might have been longer ago than that. Oxford heated grips. Premium touring heated grips. No less. With gloves on and knuckle protection, that'll probably just knock into that. That's something that needs to be sorted in the future. Right, now this is where we realise we've put the clutch reservoir on too soon, because this isn't going to stretch to go on the handlebars, is it? No, no, it's not. Torch. The throttle cables are there, yet the drawing is saying take the throttle cables through here, so bring them round here. Probably should have done that before I put the top yoke on. Hindsight and all that. In it blood. In it blood. So what? Got to strip the cables out. Redirect. So that bracket's got to come off, which is 8mm. So that's the throttle retaining bracket, throttle cable retaining bracket. That still wouldn't give enough, would it? So it has got to come this side. It has. What's time? 6:10. 6:10 in the evening. I shouldn't have had such a long lunch break. Oh, this is the worst way to do it. It's the worst way to do it. Making everything look easy. Oh yeah. Right. That can go there. And then what we want is a dob or something on the pin. Oh, it's on the underside. To mark it. Fucking mode. Mode. Who uses mode? Oh, it's rain. It's starting to rain. I need to go into a less aggressive mode. Somewhere there, I think. I don't know about them throttle cables. They're a bit willicky wallocky, aren't they? That'll be out of the way. Have a look at the photo. There's a photo here somewhere. Yeah, that's cutting the screen off. That's the clutch. Look how straight they are there. How are you performing like that? for him, but not performing like that for me. I think someone's had a shorter throttle cables. What do you reckon? Make it all look very, very gorgeous and professional. In the smaller picture you can see the brake line goes down in front of the fork, which is where that one will end up, and the throttle cable's wrapped straight round underneath the tank. But they ain't as long as this, and they don't give you any more in the kit. So what? That old clutch line's a bit long as well. Anyway, wants to be there. They reckon put a dab of grease on it. Put a dab of grease on it. Like that. And go like that, which hopefully has left a nice little dot. There you go, there's the dot, just there. That seem about right, yeah. We've got a dot. Right, and I think that's enough for today. What do you reckon? That's enough for today, isn't it? All getting a bit ridiculous. Come back with fresh eyes in the morning. There's my dot. That's better. A bit of white chalk in it. Anyway, that's enough for today. Hope you enjoyed that. Apart from the hissy fit. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow.